Welcome to this tutorial on how to crochet the front loop single crochet stitch. It's a variation of the regular single crochet and a great way to mix up your crochet projects. When you're inserting the crochet hook into a whole stitch, like I'm showing you now, you can see that there's two loops on the crochet hook. The one closest to you is the front loop and the one furthest away is the back loop. And for this project, we're using the front loop. We're inserting the hook into the front loop only, then pulling up a loop like a regular single crochet, yarn over and go through both loops on the crochet hook. Then we're going to insert a crochet hook into the front loop only, not the whole stitch, like I'm showing you now, so only the front loop, pull up a loop, yarn over and go through two loops. So you can see the only difference between the regular single crochet and the front loop single crochet is where you insert a crochet hook, so not into the whole loop, but into on the front loop only. Then pull up a loop, yarn over and go through two loops. Let's do another one. Insert a crochet hook into the front loop only and pull up a loop, yarn over and go through two loops. So this is how easy the front loop single crochet is. Thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial. Have a nice day.